The Europeans are probably even more in shock that we are at the table, literally fighting for the survival of this country.
David, is there a way to get any kind of deal back on track? Is there a way to...
But I do think it's got to be in America's interest.
It was all over. But now, when the film was being released, we just discovered that there was a real attack on the time, and it was time in Brazil.
The director author's eyes said,
Film only dedicates to the sovereignty.
today. Remember, by visiting President Trump and President Lopez temporary relief to a coalition of labor unions and judge his decision ordered the Office of Personnel Management to inform federal agencies that have no authority to order masks. A private foundation supporting NPR.
NPR education correspondent for Turner. I have beta face energy to use some wrestling terminology. And the very next year, in 1980, when Ronald Reagan was running for president, he pledged to dismiss
under federal civil rights law known as Title IX. He tried to expand
sponsored jobs feature.
Oxygen sensor placement sucks. I would not recommend these at all. I had to remake the bracket for the primary on the passenger side, which you can't see, but now that works. This one's a tight fit, but acceptable. This one is not at all. I had to disconnect it entirely. But we are gonna put something here later for off-road use only, so it doesn't really matter. For now, I want to hear this thing turn on. That's all I care about. Oh, that was silly and I love it. Why'd I wait so long to get a V8?